Solink VerifEye is an AI review and response console within video alarms that turns any camera into a virtual security guard. With VerifEye, AI threat detection filters out common false alarm triggers and surfaces only potential threats to operators, who can then verify within a streamlined queue. When an alarm is triggered, simply click VerifEye to launch a review window and respond based on whether or not there is an active threat. VerifEye immediately plays the video. Here's a quick overview of the user interface. These icons represent the first time that AI detected either a person or a vehicle on an alarm-enabled camera. You can click on these icons to launch the associated camera. The blue bars along the bottom represent motion intensity. And on the right-hand side, we can see any relevant notes for this location that might give us more information. You can edit these notes from the Alarm Configurations page. And finally, at the bottom, we can answer this question: is there a threat to person or property? If yes, there is an option to deter activity with talkdown via an on-site speaker, if one is installed, as well as a flashing strobe. You are in a restricted area. Please leave immediately. But if this is an imminent threat and the deterrents haven't done their job, there's also an option to dispatch police, depending on geographic location. If this isn't a threat, you can simply select no, and then either close the alarm or disarm for a period of time to avoid repeat alerts. If you need to refine your coverage, VerifEye allows for real-time sensor control. Motion zones can be adjusted immediately within the panel. When closing an alarm, whether the answer was yes or no, you can add notes to describe exactly what happened. These are stored in the alarm event card for audit and review. So what are the real results of VerifEye? Well, your operators aren't distracted by false alarms, they focus only on what matters. That means faster, more accurate responses, wider coverage, and lower costs by reducing the need for on-site guards. VerifEye and video alarms are both available today for SOCs of all shapes and sizes. Contact your Solink account rep to learn more and get started with a pilot.